This is the East Idaho planning briefing for August 6, 2020. Main highlights for today is we have red flag warnings out for a large portion of the area. We expect scattered thunderstorms across much of the central Idaho mountains from Challis over towards Salmon. Isolated thunderstorms are expected elsewhere, but we also have low humidity and breezy conditions expected for the Snake Plain, Magic Valley, and southeast Idaho. So fire conditions today will be rather high. We do have a weak cold front that's moving into the region, and that will bring cooler weather to the area for Friday and for the weekend. So on the satellite imagery here, you see some cloud cover and some thunderstorms across the Idaho Panhandle going into southeast Idaho. That is the moisture we're referring to pulling up ahead of a cold front that will be arriving tonight. Looking at the weather impact overview, some minimal impacts across many areas today. Depending upon your area, it's either going to be the combination of wind and low humidity that's going to be driving the fire weather, or it could be the thunderstorms driving the high fire danger for today. Looks like on Friday and Saturday we may still keep a little bit of wind around across portions of Snake Plain out towards the Arco Desert, but right now we're not expecting anything too critical from that. So here's looking at where we have red flag warnings at, and once again, generally we're picking on this Salmon Challis area for thunderstorms today, and then the rest of the region, southeast Idaho region, is mainly going to be for winds and humidity. So this is looking at a snapshot of a radar image from this afternoon, and as you can see here, this is where we expect the scattered thunderstorm coverage to be up in the central Idaho mountains. Some isolated coverage down here around Burley as well. This image may not be doing it justice as well, though, as we're getting new forecast data in. We're seeing the thunderstorm coverage potentially being a little bit more widespread than what you're watching here. This is looking at the high temperature forecast for today, and will be a little bit cooler across the region with that cold front starting to approach the area. This is the minimum humidity forecast for today. Very dry conditions across much of the desert, and then also into southeast Idaho as well. This is looking at our wind gusts for today, and you see it will be quite breezy this afternoon out across the Snake Plain and portions of the central Idaho mountains as well, and as well as portions of the southeast Idaho high country as well. And then here's the cooler temperatures we're advertising for Friday across much of the region. And humidity values on Friday across much of southeast Idaho, a tad bit more moist, but still rather dry out across the central Idaho mountains. And then this is looking at those wind gusts for Friday afternoon. As you see, potentially could still see some critical fire weather conditions out towards INL and Arco Craters area, but that looks like that would probably be about it for Friday afternoon. And then as we go into Saturday, temperatures still pretty close to normal across the region, and our humidities on Saturday a tad bit drier once again. So to summarize, red flag warnings out for the combination of thunderstorms, humidity, and breeziness. Just depends upon where exactly you're at. And we are expecting cooler weather for Friday and the weekend. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Thank you.